I had 3 balls of yarn, 1 yellow, 1 white, and 1 green, and I have made a total of 3 tops out of those 3 balls of yarn. Hey guys, welcome back to another live video. It's a Friday. I hope you guys are having a lovely week. I have had a kind of tough week. I haven't been motivated this week to work, but finally back in shape, and I am in the process of recording my next tutorial, which is this one that I'm working on. I believe some of you guys have seen it on the internet, and somehow no one has cracked the code of how to make some of these pieces, so I decided to record a tutorial. And the moment I jumped onto this trend, I was all in. When I say all in, I mean this. I'm using the same exact 3 colors to play around with the arrangement, and it's just giving a very beautiful and colorful scene to me. And this is just a simple way of playing around with color. You can see I'm just using 3 colors, but it's giving different effects. Just let me know down in the comment section what combination is your favorite. Is it the one that has white most, or the one that has green most, or the one that has yellow most? Just let me know down in the comment section what you think about these pieces. Personally, I think the white is everything. I just love white. And of course the green is lovely. The yellow is also lovely because I love mustard yellow. And yeah, I'm in the process of recording a tutorial, but then at the same time I have to make some deliveries today. I have some orders that I have to deliver to my clients, so I'm just trying my best to make it as fast as I can so that I can upload this tutorial for you guys. And I don't know if I should make it a set, or just let me know what you would want to match this piece with. This can be a very good match with maybe mesh pants of any of the colors that you have chosen to use. So since we are using the same 3 colors, you can do a green mesh pant, or a yellow mesh pant, or a white mesh pant. So there's so many options to choose from. That's the beauty with multicolored projects. You can always pair them up with literally any color. So yeah, I'm just trying to speed through this. What are you guys working on? Let me know down in the comment section. For those who have just joined, yes, this is what we are working with today. I'm recording a tutorial for you guys, so make sure you already subscribe to the channel. For those who don't know where to find the channel link, just click the link on my bio. It will take you to my YouTube channel and check out some of my tutorials that I already have for you guys. I'm trying to be very fast because my delivery is at 4 and it's already 2:44, so I have approximately 1 hour to finish everything here, put the video together and upload it. Then I can run to make my delivery. Okay, your speed is impressive. I'm trying to rush. I am really trying to rush and finish. This is my normal speed when I'm just in my own zone and I just need to finish a project. So last night I tried out something. You see how I hold my hook? I hold it the knife way, but my thumb is always very close to the metal or the end of the hook. I always control the movement of the hook with my thumb. If you're to notice, my thumb always comes forward to direct the movement of the hook. But yesterday I was trying out something to see if I could pick up speed. I was just holding here because I believe these hooks are meant to have your thumb here so that you keep working continuously. So I tried this so that my thumb doesn't move off that point, and I found it pretty interesting. I've seen some people work like this, but I feel like if my thumb doesn't touch the front of the hook, then I'm not in control of the project. This is also some other way that I can crochet. I think I can get used to this, but I think I'm so used to having my my thumb direct the movement of the hook. That way I have neater stitches and I'm in control of a very uniform tension when I'm working. No, it wasn't faster. I don't know if it's because I'm so used to the other one. I'm not yet so sure, but I think if you get used to it, it's much faster than my original way of holding the hook. That's what I'm thinking. But I was also thinking maybe it's fast because it's a half double crochet that you don't have to pull through two and then pull through two. Let's try and make a double crochet and see if it's the same exact. You see? You would. Okay. You would have to be very cautious to make sure you don't pull through all. But with the half double crochet and the single crochet, that method works, but I don't think it's for me. I'm just so used to my kind of hold where my thumb is in control. Love the colors, amazing. Thank you. Yeah, I'm seeing Brazilians love this color combination. This is because your flag has these colors, and yeah, it would be nice to give it a try if you're from Brazil. So what I have to do right now, after recording the tutorial, I'm going to sit down and write a pattern for it as well, so that for the people who prefer the PDF, you can get a copy of the PDF pattern. Then from there, I can upload the two at the same time. So my original plan was to have all the probabilities of this color, but I don't think I'm going to be able to do that. That's because I don't think I have so much gas to recreate this piece unless if it's on order. But if it's not, then I'm going to stop on these 3 pieces because they're already amazing. Because I was planning to make green, yellow, white, and then green, white, yellow. Green, white, yellow, and then yellow, white, green, and then yellow, green, white. And then we also have others. How do you always put an increase? Let's say when you're working on a bodycon dress. That depends on the stitch that you're working with. You have to always find a way to increase, especially when you're moving from the waist onto the hip. You have to find a way of how that stitch increases, and you place those increases on the respective points. What weight yarn are you using? I'm using a weight, I don't know. Let me get a wrapper here. So 3-ply, 50 grams. Each ball of yarn is 50 grams. And you can imagine I have used only 1 ball of each color for all the 3 tops. So I am just maximizing my resources. Is yarn cheaper in Uganda? It depends on the type of yarn that you're using. Of course, the local yarn is very cheap, but also the quality is very low. But if you want better yarn like what I'm using right now, it's not as cheap. Alright, so I think I have to get back on camera. I'll see you guys again soon. I hope you guys have a lovely weekend, and don't forget to check out my YouTube channel for more tutorials. This one is not yet up, but it will be up as soon as the written pattern is ready. A way to modify to fit more coverage. Yes, there is a way. I'll be mentioning it in the tutorial at the beginning. Yeah, I think that's the best I can do. How many yarns did you use while making the dress? Everything depends on the stitch that you're using. There are some stitches that are yarn eaters. There's some stitches that don't really like consume a lot of yarn. So I don't know what stitch that you're working with. So guys, I have to get off and go back to recording. I hope you have a lovely weekend and I'll see you soon. Bye.